12 in the morning now, and it's an hour forward, and Danielle is busy doing. Okay, he's actually preparing for his proposal.
Tapos pagka-baling nyo, ito nga pala, ito yung bridge natin. Nakikita nyo na agad. Sabay tuhod ka ngayon. Tapos pakita mo yung sig-sig. Ay, nako. Iyak yun.
So, ako yung paghahawak ko. Saan ba kung twisto dito kami? O doon?
Yeah, they're gonna go there. As soon as they hand the flower,
Yeah.
then they will cross back.
No, I think Daniel and I and Mr. Perry, we're going there at the helipad. And then Daniel will propose to that lady. And if she said yes, then that's the time the flowers will come in, and that's the time to play the music. That's a good plan. All right, let's do that.
Okay, you ready?
What we're going to do is bring one flower each, yeah, and hide yourself.
Gotta give this to
That one is for Daniel. Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
So let's start on
One flower each.
other side. In GM's office. GM apartment. Huh? No,
Yeah.
this one is chief engineer.
You stay here, on this side.
I just hope that they won't be passing on this side.
No, because I'm with Daniel. I'm with Daniel. I will be passing on this side.
Okay.
Yes, that's the plan. Yeah, that's the plan. I'll give you a time.
Give us a
We're the last Mr. Idol, right?
Yeah.
together with this one.
You're the first one to enter this one. Okay, yeah. Hello guys, ito na po ang pagkakataon. Hintayin natin si Daniel dito sa elevator na to. Kasama niya ang kanyang girlfriend. Nga pala Daniel, yan na ba ang kanyang girlfriend? Oo. Ngayon lang kami nakita. Ang nga pala si Rinel. Tara, papasya natin sa elevator.
Habang wala pang ulan.
Oo. Formal ka ata ngayon ha? Ano pa meron?
Nagtrabaho ako sa ano eh.
Ay, di, minamats lang pala. Ito si Daniel busy ako sa trabaho pero dahil sa kanya, gagawin ko lahat.
Storbo ka pa.
Oo. Sige. Ayan, diretso kayo doon. Tama na kayo doon. Diretso mo doon. Ay, nag-aayos pa yung mga...
Medyo...
Ingat, madulas.
Mauna ka lang yan. Hawakan mo maigi ha. Madulas dyan yan ha. Ingat.
Ayan.
Dito nga pala kami pag sa Northwest Passage, Antarctica yan.
Oo.
Dito lahat ng mga residente nagagathering. Pero pag may mga wala yan dito.
Ay, tignan mo yung cable car dito at saka yung bridge. Oo. Ayan, di ba?
Ito yung bridge.
Okay. Daniel. Ayan.
Oh my God. Ano ba yun?
Will you marry me?
Yes.
Yes! Yes, now guys! Yes! Yes now guys! Woo! Yes! Oh! Yes! Ay! Congratulations! Yes, thank you. Daniel, congratulations.
Salamat. Pakinggan pa na natin yung theme song namin.
Ayun.
Guys, thank you so much.
Yes, guys! Woo! Tara, sama mo ako.
Doon lang ka, dalawang bellman pa tayo natin. Ani!
Alright.
Hey, congratulations guys.
Alright.
Tingnan ko na yung text five pa, baka malagpasan tayo.
Yeah! Yes! Woohoo! Guys, sinong gusto ng kiss? Sino gusto ng kiss? Alright! Pakita natin! Yeah!